dear. Gumana ang TV, guys. Ayan na. Hala ka, dear. Very, talaga siya.
Very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Today I'm gonna cook the famous Adidas.
Uy, dear, thank you for cooking Adidas. Dear, what are you doing?
Another day, another kalakal day na naman ni Johannes nandyan. Umaga pa nga lang, lumabas na kami ng bahay para mag-ikot. Una na nga naming nakita itong flat screen TV. Dali-dali ko na agad itong nilagay sa aking sasakyan. Sana gumana pa ito. Sunod naman naming nakita itong isang elegante chair na nakita namin na kulay red.
Hala ka, dear. Very, talaga siya.
Very comfortable.
Very comfortable talaga siya, dear.
At hindi lang yan, meron pang kasamang mirror na tinapon, mga cabinet, at kung ano-ano pa.
Yeah, we wouldn't have had to buy any recliner.
Nadaanan din namin itong isang napakagandang recliner. Naalala ninyo nung nakaraan na bumili kami ng bagong reclining chair? Ito yung nabili namin online na i-deliver ito actually the other day. Sabi ni John, sana kung nakita natin ito kaagad, nakasave sana tayo. Sana hindi na lang tayo bumili. Alam nyo, mas maliit ito kaysa sa nakita namin kanina.
Saya.
It works perfectly.
All right.
It was too big for us to fit the pod, so I just said, heck with it.
All right.
It actually has a prayer on the side.
At nahuli pa nga ulit kami ng may-ari. Guys, sabi niya, kunin niyo to, sayang, mahal ito. Ganon sila dito, pinapamigay talaga nila, guys.
Man, dear. Hala ko. Pang mayaman, guys. Na marble talaga siya, dear.
What's in the
May
drawers?
marble. Tingnan mo kung may pera. Made. Uy, ang ganda nito, dear.
It works very smooth.
Very smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Ay, hala. Uy, sliding ka. Hala ka, dear. Uy, this is really nice.
Sobrang smooth, guys, ng drawer. At
Hala ka, dear. Uy, pwede to.
akala ko rice cooker, guys. Facial sauna pala.
Sauna siya, dear. Ay, okay. Hindi daw, sabi ni Jan.
What about the pan?
The pan is very old. Ay,
It's Philippines.
Philippines? No, not. Ay,
Not that one.
ha?
The other one. Yeah.
It's very, very.
No, it's
Nagtalo pa kami ni John dito, guys, sa pan kasi gusto niya kunin ko. Sabi ko napakadubi. Sabi niya, cast iron daw pala yun. Mamahalin daw pala yun. Kaya kinuha ko na rin. Kuskusin na lang natin sa bahay, guys.
Uy, kaganda magagamit ko yan, darling. Ayan, wala dalawang luggage. Look at the other luggage if it's pretty. Is it not pretty?
not so much.
Not so much? Okay.
Eto na ang mga nakuha ko kanina.
Steam pot, dear.
What is
steam
that?
Pot, steam pot. Ayan,
Steam pot?
Oo.
I don't know.
I thought sauna. This is sauna. Hala ka, dear. Uy, ang ganda nito. Oh, parang hindi pa siya nagamit. Beauty sauna. Hala ka. Uy, I don't know what that is for beauty daw.
Stick your face in it, maybe.
Oh,
That's antique.
antique. Sabi ni Chan, we will just clean it.
Ito talaga ang pinaka-jackpot natin ngayon. Hindi ko na maalala, guys, kung mga ilang TV na yung mga nakita namin this past pangangalakal namin. But every time makakita kami ng TV, guys, no, na-excite talaga ako. Alam nyo, kung medyo maliit lang to ng ko, ewan ko, try ko to kung magkasya ito sa Balikbayan, guys. Ha? Kung magkasya to sa Balikbayan, pwede natin tong ipadala, 'di ba, sa Pilipinas.
Gumana siya, dear. Gumana ang TV, guys. Ayan na. Hala ka. So, kailangan, signal.
No signal.
Okay, kailangan lang natin i-connect ang mga adapter and anything. Another luggage. Hala, guys. Uy, he pick up something. Hala, what did he pick up? Hala ka, ang couch. Ay,
All the wood.
hold up.
Hello, squirrels. Hi.
Johannes, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm getting sand.
What, are you gonna plant some plants in there?
No, this is what I'm gonna use to clean the pot that we got from the dumpster. I'm gonna use sand to clean it. Clean the pot.
Ewan ko, guys, ha, kung na-try nyo ito. Kasi buhangin ang ginagamit talaga namin eh. Si Jan naman, iba ang kanyang style sa paglinis ng mga taya, guys. Ayan oh, asin ang ginagamit niya.
Uy. Ay, wow. Amazing.
Very amazing.
Hala, look at the cast iron. Clean.
Very clean.
Salt pala is better to clean the cast iron, dear.
I don't know why. O diba? Malinis na.
Hala, ang linis na nga, oh.
Pagkatapos ay nagpakulo lang si Jan ng tubig para mas lalong malinis talaga itong ating cast iron na pan. Mahal daw ito guys, sabi ni Jan. Jackpot daw kami dito.
The pan that we got from the street. Hala guys, nilinisan na ni John, oh.
Today I'm gonna cook the famous Adidas adobo.
Ililipat lang ito ni Jan sa malalim na lagayan. Nakatikim na actually si Jan ng ganito sa probinsya, luto ng kapatid. At simula nung nakatikim siya noon, sabi niya, gusto niya daw mag-try nito. Ngayon lang kami nagka-chance na magluto nito. Tignan natin kung anong resulta.
Because it should be soft. Okay.
That's
That's
it.
not much.
That's not enough.
That's not
Calls for
much.
2 tablespoons.
Yeah, but it won't hurt. We put a lot of vinegar. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay.
Slow cook lang natin ito guys. Siguro mga 45 minutes to 1 hour para mas malambot talaga siya.
Let it simmer. Go.
Let it simmer till tomorrow. I'm gonna put some sugar.
And a few eternity later guys, ito na luto ng ating adobong Adidas ala Americano. Kain tayo guys. Adidas ang aking ulam. Wow. Wala. Uy, dear, thank you for cooking Adidas. Uy, wala, sarap nito dear.
Oh, you're welcome. Enjoy. I'll have some later.
Sarap talaga nito oh.
It's really good.
Why are you sitting like that?
Para talagang nasa probinsya guys, no? Sino ba yung kumakain na ganito rin? Ang style kapag kumakain. Last nasa-satisfy talaga tayo guys, no? Anong comfortable talaga tayo kapag ganito tayo mag-upo pag kumakain tayo, no? Ganyan din ba kayo?
So, hindi ako makapaniwala.
Na sobrang sarap talaga na niluto ni Jan na adobong Adidas guys. Kaya naman, pinadalhan ko siya ng baon sa kanyang trabaho. O diba, Pilipinong-Pilipino talaga. Parang anak ko na lang si Jan. O, pinapabaunan ko siya sa kanyang trabaho para hindi siya doon magutom guys ba.
Aha, magbaon si John guys sa kanyang work. Dear, what are you doing? Wait.
I'm eating Adidas.
Yes, but with your foot up.
I'm just following you.
O diba, na-impluensyahan din si Jan guys.